Good morning to all of you. I am Dr. Jai Singh and today I will tell you about the post hoc test. Post hoc is a Latin word and it means after this. Post hoc is the integral part of the ANOVA. ANOVA is used to find the difference among three or more than three groups. But ANOVA doesn't tell actually in which group differ from the other. In this condition, we use the post hoc test. Post hoc test tells us actually which group differ from any other group. Today, I will show you how we calculate and find the post hoc test in SPSS. Now, I will show you how we use the post hoc test in SPSS. As we know that in SPSS window, here two variables are visible. One is the memory score and another is the wake up time. It means there are three categories in the wake up times 1, 2 and 3. I will define it, but we want to find the effect of the wake up time on the memory score of the students. So first we go to the variable view and we see the memory score is dependent variable. Its nature is numeric and width, and it is written in decimal, so 2 points decimal is written here, and values is none, and its measure is scale. It means it is not the nominal level or ordinal level, but it is in upper level. But the wake up time is the second variable. It's numeric, and decimal 0, it means this is only the category 1, 2 and 3. There is no need to write it in decimal, and we will define the value. We see here there are the three categories. One type of the students who are late wake up, and the second category is with sunrise. It means they wake up with the sunrise in the morning, and the third category is the Brahma Muhurt. Brahma Muhurt means in the early morning they wake up. So we want to find the difference in the memory score of these three categories. So in variable view, we see that wake up time is here, and the values is none. So we define the value. First we define the value and we click plus and we write 1 for those students who are late wake up. Then we write late wake up, and then the second is those students who wake up with sunrise. Then we write wake up with sunrise, and third is the category who wake up in the early morning. It means yes, yeah, we write 3, and for third category is Brahma Muhurt. So three categories have been defined. One is for those students who are late wake up, and second is with sunrise, and third is Brahma Muhurt. We click OK. It means three categories have been defined for these students. And now we go to the data view. As we see that this is on the nominal level, wake up is the nominal level, and memory score is on the scale level. So we go to the data view and we see that the memory score is here, and also the wake up time. The categories are defined 1, 2 and 3. We want to find whether there is difference between the among the memory score of these three categories or not. Now for the post hoc test, first we click Analyze, and we see that under Analyze there are so many statistics which are available, and in this one is the option is here general linear model, and in under the general linear model we select univariate, and When this dialog box is open, first we reset this box, and after this first we click memory score. Since we know that the memory score is the dependent variable, so we enter it in dependent variable box by using this arrow. And then uh, factor is wake up time. As we know that there are three categories in wake up time, so we select wake up time and enter it in the fixed factor box. After this we click the option button is here, and under option there is one descriptive statistics. We select it. Since we are interested about finding the descriptive statistics like mean, median and others, so we select it. And also we want to take the homogeneity, as an homogeneity is an assumption for such type of the ANOVA test and post hoc test. So we select homogeneity test, and Levin's test is used to check whether the groups are homogeneous or not. So we select it, and then we click continue, and after this we go to the post hoc test. Here post hoc test button is here, so we click it, and we see that the factor is visible here, wake up time. And with respect to the three categories under the wake up time, we want to analyze the difference between the group means. So we select this and enter in the post hoc test box. After this, there are so many tests available, but we like the 2K test. A 2K test is one of the good option for checking the difference and identifying that which two groups differ to other. So we select 2K test, and after this we click the continue, and then we click OK, and we see the result are visible here. We see here there are so many tables available, and one table is for the descriptive statistics here, in which we will explain the result of the descriptive statistics, that is the mean and standard deviation. And other table is for the Levin's test. Levin's test examine the homogeneity of the groups. As we know that Levin's test examine the homogeneity of the groups. And third other is here. We see the post hoc test table is here, and using this table we will check, we will find which groups differ to the others. In now I will explain the result of post hoc test. As we see that in the output of the SPSS post hoc test, some tables are visible here, and we can see in this table, one is for the descriptive statistics, and in this table descriptive statistics, uh, the mean and standard deviation are given. The mean was found 30.40 for the late wake up students, and 46 for the wake up with sunrise, and 60 for the Brahm Muhurt wake up students, and the total mean was found 45. So from this table we can get the idea that the mean of Brahm Muhurt students are greater than the other groups on the memory score. And Levin's test, which check the homogeneity of the variance. It is very important test. Since we know that for using the ANOVA or post hoc test, first we should check the assumptions for the Levin's test. And Levin's test checks whether the groups are homogeneous or not. And we see that in this table for the Levin's test, memory score is given here, and the value Levin's statistics are 2.18, which is based on the mean, and median is 1.45, and other values are given here. For based on the mean we get the value 2.186, and the significance level is 0.132. Since the significance level is 0.13, which means it is greater than 0.05. So since it is greater than 0.05, it means it is not significant. So the null hypothesis for the Levin's test is accepted. And what is the null hypothesis in this case? The null hypothesis is that the groups are homogeneous. It means the three groups are homogeneous, and it is accepted. So we can use the other post hoc test in this case. Now we come to the post result of the post hoc test, that is 2K test, and we see the 2K test result is visible in this table, and we see that for the pair of the two groups, values are mentioned here. Here we can see that for the wake up time, late wake up and pair with wake up with sunrise was found. Significance level for this pair was found 0.13. Here we can see the 0.13 value of significance is for these two groups. Since its value is greater than 0.05, it means it is not significant. So null hypothesis is accepted. It means that the mean of the late wake up and wake up with sunrise, there is no difference, no significance difference between these two groups. Also, if we compare this late wake up and Brahma Muhurt wake up, then the significance level was found 0.003, and since it is less than 0.05, it means null hypothesis is rejected and there is significance difference. It means the students who wake up late and also the students who wake up in the Brahma Muhurt, their means are significantly different on the memory score. So their memory was found differ. And similarly, we can see that the students who wake up with sunrise and the other students who wake up late wake up, and for this the mean was found 0.13, which is greater than 0.05. It means since it is greater than 0.05, it means null hypothesis is accepted, since it means there is no difference, significant difference between these two groups. And also the wake up with sunrise and the other group, that is Brahma Muhurt wake up, and for this the significance level is 0.22, hence null hypothesis is accepted. So there is no difference. Also we can see that the Brahma Muhurt pair of Brahma Muhurt with late wake up, and since we have seen it earlier, that is in first case late wake up and Brahma Muhurt pair, same pair is given in the inverse order. Brahma Muhurt is written first and wake up, late wake up is written on the second place. So it was found 0.003, which is same as here 0.003. So since it is 0.003, it means that null hypothesis is rejected and there is significant difference. Means that the Brahma Muhurti students, their memory is better, it was found better than the late wake up students. And in other case, the comparison with Brahma Muhurt and wake up with sunrise was found 0.228, which is also found in the earlier case in inverse order. And since it is not significant, null hypothesis is accepted, so there is no difference. The result of the 2K test tells that in these two groups there is significant difference. In which groups? One group, that is the late wake up, and other group that wake up in